Okay. Could you tell me about that? What kind of things, apart from games, that you see on the web? It's code with programming. It's made with languages. Just
programming robots.
Yeah, we can program robots. Robots without programming, it's just metals, like computers. Computers without any programming, it's just metals. And do you think they are smart or not? Do you think computers are smart?
Depending on what type of computer it is and how much technology is built into it.
Yeah, exactly. That's been somebody needs to code them. Somebody needs to tell them how to performance the things that they need. So we need to tell the computers what we need to do and what kind of things we ask for them to do for us. Otherwise, they're stupid. They don't do anything. So the YouTube, actually, Microsoft Web, these kind of things, Microsoft Word, if you write down anything, they actually somebody programmed them. So, and iPhone, Android, the phones that you use, Facebook. You don't have Facebook, you might have Xbox, Pokemon. Do you have Xbox?
Yeah, I have Xbox.
Yeah, that's one is something that's start with exactly with the coding. Somebody code them with the computer languages, and that's why you can play. Okay, I'm gonna send you, just give me a moment, send you a link. You can download the app. What are you using now, Windows or Mac?
Windows.
Oh, you're using Windows, okay. Tell me, how's the weather over there?
Not bad. In Saudi Arabia, right now it's pretty hot. Well, depending. It's not that hot now since it's winter.
It's a good time, actually. Yeah, it's the best time. Otherwise, it's going to be very, very, very hot. You couldn't be it. I was living near Saudi Arabia, Iran. Do you know Iran?
Yes.
Yeah, I was living there before. Now I'm in Melbourne, in Australia, and it's going to be night time, actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Ours is afternoon, right?
Yeah, it's 8. It's 8 o'clock. It's going to get dark now. Okay. I couldn't find it. Just give me a sec. Where is it? Okay. Couldn't find it. Okay. I send you a link. Have a look.
Can you please tell me to find the link?
In just the Zoom that you haven't see, it might be pop up for you. Is it? It's not coming out anything? I just say
nothing that I can see.
Oops. Just have a look in the app.
Do what? To your email?
If you see in Zoom, you might be see something, the icon say chat.
Oh, this?
In the bottom?
This?
Yeah, at the bottom. In the bottom, it's going to be pop out.
In Zoom?
Yeah, and if you open it,
Oh, in the chat.
you will see a link.
Is it trinket.io?
Trinket.io.
Okay.
Okay, just could you, yeah.
What is it you need us to do?
Oh, I can tell you, just I can spell it and you can write it down in Chrome. What browser are you using?
He has Chrome.
Okay, cool. That's fine. Have you seen the chat room?
Yes, we can see the chat.
Okay, did you click the link already?
It's not a link, it's just a name. Trinket.io.
It's, yeah, if you click it, or I just sent it again.
It's not a clickable link.
Trinket.io.
Yeah, I can see that, but is that where we're supposed to go to in Chrome?
Yeah. If you click it or just copy and paste it in the browser, yeah, we will see the page.
Okay, are we supposed to create an account?
Oh, that's what, no, and say, I'll say after that, Python, write down, I'm gonna send it again with the total link. And then after that, /Python.
Okay. We have that website open.
Okay, that's all things that we need. We're going to just have a look how this code works. It just demonstrate. We're not gonna just understand it all now, but
You can do this if you want to see your teacher. You can drag this up here so you can see what she's doing.
Ready? Ready? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Have you seen some codes around, but we don't need it. We have two parts here. Just let me share my screen with you that you can see what exactly I'm talking about. Okay, have you seen my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, cool. This part if you see my cursor that's going around, this part, it's the part that we're going to write our codes here. There are some codes that might be nonsense for you, but I'll just delete it. And delete. We're not gonna see anything now. We're gonna start coding now. The first thing I wanna show you, here we write our code, and this space, we're gonna see our result. This space in the right hand. So the first things, could you do the things the same with me? If you could just put the share screen in just side of your browser, you can do both. You can see my screen and you can see, and you work on your browser as well.
Okay.
If you need any help, you can do something. You can share your screen with me and I can see your screen, and tell you what's going on.
I can't put up my own screen. I cannot get my own screen up.
I can tell you how. It's the same place that you find chat. You will see share icon. If you click the share icon in the bottom of the Zoom screen.
Share.
Yeah. If you click it, you can just see whatever screen you want to share with me, the browser you're working on. Yeah, I think it's working now. Yeah, I can see. Okay, cool. Yeah.
Can you? There we go. Yes.
Okay, what's the, oh, cool. Yeah, I can see your screen. So you can just delete
All of it?
This, one day we're gonna understand our codes that you can see here.
So can I delete it all?
Yeah, you can delete it now because we wanna start. Okay.
Okay.
Now, could you just close your share? But on the top of the screen, screen, you will see the stop
share.
Yeah.
So should I press it?
Yes. Oh, cool. Yeah, because I wanna share my screen. We couldn't do it together. Okay, cool. The first thing that I'm going to do, just type print. We're gonna write down something here in right space that is empty now. Yours, there's still some things in your screen because it remains from the last quotes. Okay, here I'm going to say print hello. Hello. And then when I write it down, how can I find out how to show in the screen? It's going to, I click the run, this sign here, and you will see it show me say hello. So how we can do it by saying print and then open the bracket, and then what else? Here we have quotation, double quotation once, doesn't matter. And then we're gonna say whatever we like to print out here. We say just hello, or you can say hello. Stefan, hello, Stefan. We're gonna say hello to you. Yeah. Do you want to write down whatever you like? Just type it. Type it whatever you like.
Yeah. So should I share the screen?
No, you don't need. If you have a problem, yes. But if everything's going well, that's fine.
Okay. It says I cannot share the screen.
You couldn't do it now because I share my screen. Do you have any problem with that, or you did the same with me, like me? Have you done it?
No, not yet.
Okay. Have you write down? Okay. Have you seen this screen that just write down print hello Stefan, and here show you, if you click the run, it will show you here the result. Okay, if you need to share your screen, I'm going to stop my screen and then you can share it. Now you can.
Okay. Here?
Yes, cool. I can see it. Okay, cool. Oh, so we have a problem here. You forgot small things. You forgot to tell that we need everything that we're gonna print it out. It should be inside or in a bracket, in a quotation, double quotation or quotation. So you should put hello Stepan in a quotation sign. Yeah, true. Now it's working. You can put the result up, like just drag and yeah. Could you see this small? Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, it's done. Then we are going to. Could I share my screen?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to share mine. The next step is to say something else, like we can say 8 plus 8. Yeah. We can print 8 plus 8. Is it true, the result?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. We can, so we can do math with Python. We can just calculate whatever we need here without opening the calculator. So easy.
What school?
What do you like to calculate down? Tell me a big number.
3 quadrillion times 50 nonillion.
Oh my goodness. Okay, write it down and see the result.
Okay. I need to exit so I can do. So I know.
You don't need to share with me.
Okay, never mind. You can just add. Okay, just 3,000 times 5,000.
3,000 times. Yeah, that's fine, but just you can do it whatever you think you're saying, you can just write it down. Just you need to put the print and then bracket, open bracket, and then 3,000 multiple by whatever, 5,000. Let's see.
15,000. I know, 15 million.
Oh, it's 15 million. True. Okay, we can do it more complicated numbers like that. Yeah.
Okay, there, got it.
So there's multiple, different minus. Oh,
Negative.
this one should be it should be bigger. So we can say 1,300. Oh,
Yeah.
that's a nice number. 7777. That's funny. Okay, next, what do you like to know more? So
Yes.
next one, we're going to, if we're gonna just use lots of numbers and if we need to know this result to put it somewhere, so just think about, we're gonna use 7,707, or just say the small number. Let's just do small number. 16 minus 5, it's 8. So we're gonna use this 8. We're gonna say the result of this calculation. It's going to be, say, 8. What's 8 plus 8 or 9? What 8 plus 9? So we're going to use the result of this calculation here. How we can keep it, you think? We need to store it. So how we store this, how we store this result of the first calculation? We're gonna use variable. We say variable. That's variable is something like a box. We have a box. Let me show. Do you have my face video or?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So we have a box that we're gonna put. Just think about, you're gonna put your toys in your box to store it and put it in just the corner of your room to just for later. Let's say you just want to put just your Legos. Okay, how we can do it, and then we can store it for one day and then use it tomorrow. So how we can do it in here with numbers, it's the same, that we use the box that we're gonna say, what's the box is, say, let's put a name on the box. Your name is okay. We can say Stefan, the Stefan box. It's equal to 13 minus 5. So what could be Stefan box inside?
Well, the answer of 13 minus 5 is 8.
Yeah. So it's 8. We put the 8 number, this number in the box, like here. Easy. And then if we print it out here, what we're gonna see is we can say Stefan box. We have to say 8. Yeah, we can see 8 number. So what we did here, we just store these numbers, the calculator of these numbers in the box that we call it the Stefan box. And so then we can use it. How? We can say Stefan box. It should be the same name that we use. You know, this language is actually very case sensitive. That means if I say, for example, print a Stefan box like this, what do you think it's show me? Nothing. You know what? Because there is some difference here. Could you tell me what's different?
Capital.
Yeah, exactly. So whatever we said, if we said SVS capital, we B uppercase, the same we have to use when we're gonna use the box. It shouldn't be different, the same thing. Okay. Now, yeah, doesn't print. Would you like to write down whatever you like, store some numbers that you like in the name that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how do you? Oh, stop.
Would you like to share?
Yeah.
Okay, stop my screen. You can do it now.
There we go. There.
Okay, cool. You rock. Now you know whatever you can do. Cool.
Yay! I got it.
Yeah. Cool. So what's next?
No, I'm getting my box.
It's okay. Have your time.
You need to say even barrel equals something.
Maybe.
Mhm.
Do you remember how we define a variable? We say a name equal. Yeah. That's correct. Equal. We don't need the parentheses. We don't need the. Yeah. We just need it for print.
Oh no! That's not coming up.
Because we just put it in the box. We didn't tell Python to print it out for us. It's just stupid. We should tell them, but otherwise it doesn't understand what you say, what you want.
Print.
Yeah, exactly. No, you don't need. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
just this. Okay.
Yay.
Yeah, cool. We have a good job. Very good. Excellent. So we have your wheelbarrow. That's a variable we have. So we're gonna use that your variable. What do you want to use it? You can calculate. You can use it. You can add a number. Okay.
Like
Go on. Yeah, just play with it. That's fine. Just try whatever you like. Wow.
what shall we do? We.
Wow, that's a big number. Could you even tell how? It's a big number. Cool. We have a calculate with us. Cool.
Oh no. Yay.
Yeah, cool. Very interesting name, dinosaur box. Yeah, there's lots of very infinite number. Cool. Let's do something with our variable. Let's use it. You can add more number in your variable that you put the names in dinosaur box. You can add more number. Like for example, put more number on the box. How you can do it, you think? Could you give me? I will show you. Let's.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So back to my box. Stephen, I want to put some number I'm gonna add more number here. I'm gonna say Stephen box. Just keep the Stephen box, the same that we have, and then add a big number, large big numbers. So we have this, and see what we have before. Print. Do you have me? You see me?
It froze. Oh, no.
Okay, now I'm gonna say print out what we have now in our box, what we have in our variable, what we have it here. What do you thinking? It show us, doesn't show us anything. Okay, we're gonna just delete. Hello, sorry, I miss you here. Okay, I share my screen again. So what I've done is, are you here? Could you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, cool. So what we have done here, you see my screen? Yeah? You have it? Cool. So what I've done, that is just I add a big number in my box that I have it and say, add it to the box. Just this number, add to this box. And then print it out, it show me this number. That is true. Just add. So yeah, we had 17 and add more number. You can do it with your, with
So you got a sum of 17 and then you just added the step-on box with that number, but step-on box is equivalent to 17, so you got
now I got
82,000.
exactly. Now I've got 82,307. Yeah, that's I add more number. I add lots of number on the box, just like that. Or I can multiple, whatever you like. Okay, let's do multiple. But I need to write it down again. Sorry, I just keep it this and then going to write it down. Say a Stephen box equal Stephen box multiple. Let's say 1,000, and then print. Hey Python, print me the Stephen box. Tell me how much I have. I'm here now. Doesn't show me. Show me, please. Okay, I need to delete some lines. Okay, it show me the number that I multiplied now. See? So I have a big number in my box now. How about you? How much you have?
It froze up again. Oh, that's what the.
Do you have me?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you seen what I have done till now? So I multiple with 1,000 and it show me this big number. What do you want to do with your number, with your variable? Do you want to put some more number?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Oh, okay, I have it now. Cool.
Okay.
So we're gonna add more number, or but we're gonna use the same things that we have before.
Times box. Times. Equals. Oh no.
No, you forgot a bit. It is a bit different. You need to keep the name that we have. You need to keep the box. So we have the box, and they say, okay, the number that we have before, calculate, add or multiple with the new number. This one is not the. You need to have a look in my print. Let me. I put the. Okay, write down. I'm going to write down for you. That's what's the difference that we have here. Could you see my chat? My text that I sent to you?
I don't see. Well, there's nothing on it.
Have a look. Go to the bottom of your screen, bottom, and you will see chat icon, the same place that you see share icon. You see chat. Have you seen it?
No. For me, there's no chat here.
There's no chat box. There is. It's if you go to the bottom of your Zoom, just open your Zoom screen and you will see. I think your daddy can help you.
Where is it? The chat box.
The chat box. Yeah. Have you seen?
Meeting control.
Here.
You know what's the problem? Is it?
Where?
Basically, looking for the chat button.
Did you find it?
If you go into the bottom of the Zoom screen, you will see chat icon.
I found it.
Okay. So what I typed, actually, it's the different things that you have done. So I say dinosaur box equal to the dinosaur box that we have it before, multiple the number that you put. So that's a difference. Yeah? How does it work?
So, do I have to put a different name over here?
No, it's not different.
And then you put dinosaur box times this amount because dinosaur box is equivalent to
Yeah.
that.
But it's not the different names. It's the same name.
Okay,
Oh,
so
I write it down different name, sorry. Yeah, it's my typo. So you say dino, the same that you put. No, that's means the same. It's all the same.
so dinosaur box?
Yeah, dinosaur box that you use.
Equals
Equals, yeah. Dinosaur box, multi 2000
times,
yeah. Could you write it down? I can see your screen. If you just go to
times 2000. So dinosaur box equals dinosaur box times 2 billion maybe.
to something, yeah, it's okay, doesn't matter. 2 million something.
So
200. Yeah, it's two.
maybe 20 million.
200 million. Okay. Go to the next line.
Okay. Yes.
And write down dinosaur box equals
Yes.
okay. Well, I couldn't see your screen. I couldn't see anything here. Let's. Have you typed it?
Yeah, I typed dinosaur box equals.
No, because I couldn't see anything you type. Okay. Could you give me permission to can share my screen? If you just close your screen, stop
Okay.
share, I can share my screen. Or maybe I can. Okay. Be back here. Sorry about noises. Let's say, so what we're gonna do, so you see how I put more number in a step-on box. So I say step-on box equals the step-on box and multiple to 1,000. I can use another strategy, another way. It's like that. A step-on box. Let me write it down here. It's better. A step-on box. I can say just multiple plus 1,000.
No, she's still here.
Hello. Is it okay? Could you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I've done is say that these two is the same. We can do, if you, I'm here. Oh, Hello, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm share my screen again. You see how I use the different way of variable? You see, I said Esteban box is multiple equal 1,000. So this two lines is doing the same way. I think this one is more easy for you. You like the other one, yeah?
Yeah.
You can do it the same and you can see the result is gonna be the same. I'm gonna print it out, say Esteban box is more number because I add more 1,000 to the box. So would you like to do it in this way? With your dragon box? With your dragon box? You can share yours.
Okay.
Yeah. You see the bottom, you say syntax error, bad input on line 7. Line 7 is not correct because you put something more than usual. You put equal sign at the end that we don't need it. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's going to work. And now we have another one. We have another error in line 8. Do you know what is it? You should put the multiple first and then plus and then equal. So say, oh good, just put multiple sign before equal sign.
Okay. Here.
Exactly. Now run it, see, it might be. Okay, so no error, but we couldn't see anything here because we didn't tell Python, please print it for us. We didn't tell them. We didn't ask Python to print it for us. So what we're gonna do that, yeah, now next time we're gonna, next line. You shouldn't put, we have a variable, yeah, we have to do it in a separate line. After we done all the calculation, we're gonna do the print. Yeah. Whoops. Very quick. It's okay. Use Control Z if it's for you.
Here.
Yeah, that's work. But you need to delete again. Print.
Oh no.
Just do it slowly. It's okay.
There.
Okay, cool.
Now?
Yeah. Now, how we can see the result with print? Okay, print what? Print what? You didn't say it. You didn't.
Answer box.
Yeah. Oh, careful about space. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you add lots of a big number. Cool. You can minus it. Do you want to just delete or take away from your box some numbers? Yeah. How you can take away some of those? Just put out some numbers from your box. You can write down again in line 10. Start to write.
Yes.
Yeah. It's just go and put away some of the numbers from your box. How you can do it? You think? Could you show me how you can?
How to add what?
How to minus.
Oh, subtract?
How to minus some number from your box, dinosaur box. Or add. Yeah.
Oh. Oops. Minus?
Yes, exactly. Sure. Yeah, go on.
400
Mm.
equals. And then print?
No. So the things that have a look what you have done before, you just need to do the same syntax. Yeah.
Equals dinosaur box. Dinosaur box.
But dinosaur box should be in your left side. So, but yeah, print it out, see if it's a problem.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's okay. Do you know? Have a check. Have check with the other lines that you have done. So what's the difference between the when you multiply and when you minus?
Okay.
You have to actually.
And
that's it. Yep. Yes. Yeah, that's true. Good job. Do you want to continue to maybe write down, add some numbers, or add some numbers in your dinosaur box to can really get power of.
Can I make a new one?
Yeah, sure. Why not? You make a new box, a new variable.
Oh no.
It's okay. You know the rule. We have a rules to define a name of the variable. So the name of variable is case sensitive, but it shouldn't be. Oh yes, it shouldn't be any space between. Yeah, exactly.
There we go.
That's
Now,
yeah. That's true now. But we couldn't see anything here because
answer the question.
no, it doesn't, because we didn't ask it to answer the question.
Oh.
We just put it in a box. We didn't show it. Yeah, cool. Exactly.
Oh no. Capitalized.
Exactly.
Yay.
Yeah, excellent. I like the name. Esteban Diamond Wheelbarrow. Cool. Great name. What do you want to do with this new one? You can add.
Okay. So, okay, no. Okay.
You,
Wait.
so you know what's happened?
What?
You just put the that number, the first number that you put in Esteban Diamond Wheelbarrow, and then say to add something, but you didn't put it inside the box. You didn't put in, you just added. You just
Times equal.
plus equal.
Okay.
Yeah, plus equal. That's it.
Oh my god.
Yes, you did it. Excellent. Great job. So I think, yeah, you've done very good job. Excellent. And you have a nice names for rival. I like it. Okay, cool. The next, so we're going to, okay, write down whatever you like.
Yay.
Yay. Cool. Yay. Hoorah. Hip, hip, hoorah. There's a lot. I like the first session. That's you learn how to print whatever you like exactly, and then use variable that is look like the boxes that we put lots of number into our boxes. And yeah, we done for now. And we're done for now. You did a very good job. The next session, I'm not sure when is it, but we're gonna check together. I'm gonna check, and we go on to learning more things about Python. Okay. Double Y. Double, yeah, cool. Can I print something as well?
Yes.
Okay. Could you give me permission, please? Cool. I'm gonna write. Oh, I got the error. And could say what is it? This one. I'm not. Oh, apparently I shouldn't put any law. Okay. I shouldn't put inter here. Oh, it should be in the same line. That's a good to know.
Yay.
Yay, cool. Good job. Great. So practice with these things that you learned. And for the next session, we're gonna learn more. We're gonna know more things about how to print out, lots of things to know. It's just beginning. Can I have a chat with Daddy? Or,
Okay.
yeah.
Hello.
Okay, cool. Yeah, he had a very good job, and he done very nice, very good.
Okay. Is there a Python book that you would recommend he could read for some additional learning?
We're gonna continue with him, I think. Or how many sessions you're going to?
Well, we're gonna start with 8, but we